Alright, to recap this, took 2 trades. Well, first, my internet was out, so I didn't get on until 10 o'clock, and I got on, found some stocks in play, saw this, and I thought it looked pretty good. Dell started really strong in the morning. We were up, I think 6% from the morning right here, then up here is somewhere around 10, something like that. Really strong move up. I didn't see any of this because I wasn't around, and then it kind of topped out, started coming down, held VWAP, held this daily level, and this is what I really liked about it, was, let's see the 5 minutes too. Was above moving averages here, above all moving averages here, above all here, and we came down, touched VWAP, bought back up with decent volume right after it touched it, engulfed the VWAP or a near VWAP candle right away, and then didn't make a lower low than this. So this came down here, which is obviously higher price than that, and I like that, took it long above those moving averages. We had some buying pressure immediately, and then slammed down, and just got out, didn't really have any choice, 1 hour loss, or whatever. Then we traded Ulta a few times. And we traded, how did Ulta trade later on? That's too bad. I was thinking I should put in a, let's see what I trade to. I traded down to 136. Yeah, it's too bad. Oh well. So Ulta missed on earnings, or some negative news with their earnings call. Just got slammed from the open, absolutely crushed. And if I was watching this, this is like a perfect looking entry. It kind of just hovers around all these moving averages, and no new highs. The wick up here. This would have been a perfect entry right here. Stop above there. But I wasn't around for that, doesn't matter. So we'll go to where we did get in, where I did trade it. So we hit clear support here. We hovered for about 10 minutes. There were 2 5-minute candles, 2 wicks. We had a bounce, and it just lost steam immediately once it touched the 9 on the 5. So once it lost that and it came down, it wasn't bouncing from here at all. It didn't come down and bounce off these moving averages, traded right under them. So once I saw this, I took it short with the stop right there. Pretty much my main indicating factor was the 9 moving average on the 5, seeing the rejection on it, and we came down. I got 2 to 1, then came back to my stop, got out break even. That was a 1 hour gain. Actually, was it 2 to 1? So it's 2.5 to 1. So that's a 1 hour gain. And then I saw the same thing. I saw the shooting star. Whoops. The shooting star coinciding with the 9 on the 5. It hit it and got rejected under it. I took it once it was under. Could have been a little bit of a better entry. Stop was $1, I think. I think I had 100 shares or 50 shares or something like that. So it was just about $1. Got slammed, and that's how I knew I was in the right direction of the trade. Came back. Oh, I know what happened. I actually took a less of a size here because I was kind of far away from my entry, and we were still above these moving averages, so I didn't want to take full size immediately. So once I saw this pullback, it traded up and got rejected off that moving average, and I got in, and then it traded up again. But either way, I got rejected there, added on the small pullback, and then it got slammed down to 240. ish. What? I'm confused. I added here? Yeah, I guess I added there. So this trade, I got 3. I'll tell us what we got right now. Okay, so this was 2.5 to 1. This was 3 to 1. No, 3.5 to 1. Took a. I kind of forget what I did here. And then I re-added there. That's weird. Oh, I re-added like 10 shares there, which is what I got out here. Okay, I remember now. And had my stop right above that. Just a consolidation. I was just trying to like create cash flow throughout this trade. And came back and I got out before my break even. That was an awfully drawn line, but before my break even. So I took a little bit of a profit there. Ended up plus 2, like 0.8 R today. Did alright. That puts me up for the month. I don't know, maybe like 4 or 5 R. In the first week I was up like 15 R. And then I had a few really shit days. Where I let my max loss get out of control. But overall, a pretty good month. When I was in here, I wanted to put a range order in. But I didn't want to close. I've never put a range order in and closed my browser, which is that's what I would have had to have done. So I was kind of skeptical of that. And I was going to put it down at 238. There wasn't really any technical levels. That's just kind of where I figured it would get to. And it got way lower than that, actually. But, oh well. So be it. Missed out on maybe 1 or 2 R. Yeah, could have been better. Could have been way worse. But decent day. Happy end the week on a green note. Yeah, see you guys Tuesday. Labor Day on Monday, so we'll be back trading on Tuesday. Alright, thanks guys.